Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We apply the formula in here. That is about the integration of s to the power of n dx. We got about s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now we can apply about this one in here, and you got about s to the power of 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1, and we put about c. And this one you got about s to the power of 5 over 5, and we put about c. Now we can apply the similar for this one. So this one you got about 9 over 5 over 9 over 5. We simplify number 9 in here, and we have number 5 we put on numerator, and you got about 5s to the power of 9 over 5, and we put about c. About this one, we can write into as to the power of negative number 3, because I want to put this one go to numerator, so we need to have the negative side. And we have negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one you got about as to the power of negative number 2 over negative number 2, and we put about c. Number 8 divided by negative number 2, you got about negative number 4, and we put about c. This one you got about s squared minus 4. This is about identity, and we got about s to the power of 3 over 3 minus 4s, and we put about c. This one, the integration of e to the power of s, you got about e to the power of s. This one, we have about 5 ln of the absolute value of s. This one you got about s, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.